Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a super awesome day. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some custom jewelry I got. I got this jewelry from Joyamo and I'm super excited to show you guys and to see for myself how gorgeous this jewelry is gonna be. So without further ado, let's get into this video. It was packaged very well. Alright, so we have this little card here. This just gives information on maintenance. Here's the first one. I wonder what's gonna be in here. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I believe this is like a bracelet. I'm pretty sure this is a bracelet, but it is literally shimmering and it is so pretty. And next up, second box. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's my name, you guys. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Look at that, it is so shiny. I have to put this on. This is so gorgeous. The third one, this one has my boyfriend and I's name on it, and it's in an infinity shape. And these were custom ordered, which makes it so much more special. You guys, I'm obsessed. Not gonna lie, I'm obsessed. This is so cool. Like, it is so, like, it's literally reflecting off of the wall right now. It is so shiny, and it's just beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. This jewelry actually goes really good with my outfit today, too. Oh my god, I love this so much. Wow, that is so nice. Like, I have my promise ring and everything that my boyfriend gave me, but I was kind of wanting more customized jewelry for like the both of us. And this is just so cool how it's in the infinity shape and everything. It's just so beautiful and I love it. Overall, I am so pleased with how these came out. I was a little nervous, just as I am with all customizations, because you just don't know how it's going to turn out and the spelling and everything, but this turned out absolutely amazing. The shipping was very quick, and I'm just so pleased with the results. And this is definitely something I'm going to cherish forever, because this is just a reminder of my boyfriend and I's infinity and beyond love. And by the way, guys, if you would like to order, I have the link in the description below, and you can use my code Madison30 for 30% off of your order. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this in the near future. Thank you guys so much for watching us, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye guys!